Are you overwhelmed by all the AI tools out there and you don't even know where to begin? My hope for you in this video is to give you something where you can transform your concern or your lack of confidence into something that feels more confident for you. I decided to try AI when I wanted to do some research, and I could read all the articles because there was several dozen of them, or I could ask AI to please go and research articles that are relevant, new, fresh, and what the most recent information is on my particular topic. And AI went out, found the articles, gave me references and a synopsis of each article. And then I could decide if I wanted to do a deeper dive into that. And that was very exciting for studying, for say you just want to do research on a technology or an appliance. You can get differing opinions and then balance them so that you don't have to look at every single website or even try to find those websites. So I would suggest to you that you start using it in the tools that you use today. AI is available in Gmail. If you click on the right side, there's a little star, and that's Gemini. And AI is available in most Microsoft Office products, and it's called Copilot. And it'll be a little button on the right-hand side as well. And you click on that, it'll open up a window, and you can just type a general sentence on what you would like to do. It can help you format documents. It can tell you more information out deep research like I have done. And I've done a lot more with AI. But you won't get any confidence unless you try it. So my suggestion would be, you only need to take about 5 minutes a day. And it isn't even that long. You can just type one sentence. Ask it one question, and it will come back with results that will fit you, especially if you're more specific about the kind of data and information that you want. So I invite you to like this video, subscribe, go to my heartcentricai.com website and sign up for my newsletter, where I give tips and tricks and other ways to transform your life with technology. It doesn't have to be scary. It just needs time and your willingness to just try it. So I invite you to do so. And if you have any specific type of issue or challenge that you would like some answers on, put a comment below and let me know. And you never know, I may create a video just for you. Take care and have a great day.